It is the cup that matters, and we're bringing you the latest updates. India had lost Shikhar Dhawan and Virat Kohli en route to their target of 3. From there on, Australia continued to lose wickets at regular intervals. Some late hitting from Shane Watson and Mitchell Johnson, though, ensured that Australia crossed the 300-run mark. Umesh Yadav was the pick of the Indian bowlers, dismissing 4 Australian batsmen. And let's quickly cut across to all our reporters joining us live. Manogya joining us from Kolkata, Pratibha joining us from Bengaluru, and Rohit from Ranchi. Let me first come to Pratibha. Pratibha, what is the sentiment that we're feeling right now in Bengaluru? Because as you know, we have been watching. It's been quite a nail-biting match since the morning.
Matters, the nervousness seems to be mounting all through. In fact, I have with me a couple of fans who are great Virat Kohli fans, and there's a hint of disappointment. So, are you disappointed that Virat Kohli is actually lost? We've lost Virat Kohli today.
Yeah, we lost the Virat Kohli. We get so much of pressure on the India. Next, we have to see a partnership with Rohit and Rahane.
So, is there a sense of nervousness, would you say, especially with today's match?
Yeah, there is. But we have to get a partnership right. Rohit Sharma is the guy here. I think he'll be scoring tonight.
So a hint of disappointment with Virat Kohli, would you say?
Yeah, he's a good batsman in the world right now. But we just need one good partnership. That's it.
A good partnership is all there is, and that is going to be the key to India's victory today. But for now, will you guys cheer for India still? Yeah. So why don't I hear that?
Come on, India! Come on, India!
So there goes all of them cheering for India. Sense of nervousness, yes, nail-biting, but all of them with their fingers crossed.
Pratibha, let me quickly cut across to Rohit. Rohit, is it the same thing in Ranchi, where obviously the nervousness is extremely palpable, where there was this extreme elation that took place in the morning, where fans were ecstatic, cheering, but now sort of India being extremely cautious, also ensuring that their fans are reacting in the same way?
Well, the fans from Ranchi were really very enthusiastic this morning, but now there's a sense of disappointment and the mood is very somber, and my mood in fact is also very somber at this point of time, and we are nervous. And let's get in a reaction from the fans themselves as to what do they think. Do you think that now that 2 wickets are gone, India can now chase that 329?
Yeah, of course we have some disappointment, but I don't think we should worry too much about, because we have Rahane, we have Dhoni, and so much of the player, and we are riding on the strong shoulder of Dhoni and Rahane. So please don't worry, India
Jetting on Dhoni. I am very much hopeful.
Well, Sanjana, in Ranchi, everyone is still saying that India still jeetega, and everyone here is now banking on Dhoni. They say that Dhoni is the lucky mascot for the team, and India will win this match also.
Attempting to keep everybody's hopes up, keep the spirits up. Let me lastly go to Manogya, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Manogya, we understand that you also joined from a lot of fans. Now let's just look at this match. It becomes extremely crucial, of course, besides the fact that it will ensure India one step closer to perhaps possibly winning the World Cup. But more importantly, after the poor dismal showing that they had with the series down under, it becomes even more important right now for India to sort of give it back to Australia. What are the fans there right now? How are they sort of taking this? Are they disappointed with the fall of Virat Kohli and of Shikhar Dhawan?
Well, of course, it has been a little disappointing as far as the performance of the cricketers is concerned.
Right.
This time, 2 wickets going down, and the people here not very happy about it. Are you disappointed that now we are already 2 wickets down?
Yeah, very much disappointed. Actually, we are here to see the action of Virat Kohli, but we are really very disappointed, and we want to cheer our team, that is Dhoni.
Dhoni is पर सारा दारोमदार है, आपको लग रहा है?
बिल्कुल. Actually, we have seen the first side of the coin. We haven't seen the second side of the coin. Ever since Dhoni is over there, we are going to rock it. We are going to make it.
You think you will be able to meet the target now that it's really far away?
I think it's not a big question nowadays, because India is winning and we won't give it away. It's a simple fund of India.
Simple fund of India. We will not give it back. What is your take on the matter? Are you confident this time? India. Are you confident this time of the win, given the factors that are working?
We will definitely win. India bat very deep, and given the fact that Hazelwood is bowling well, we should just play out his overs, and then we can make up the runs.
And do you think that the bowlers were not performing the way? The 330 is a huge target, especially for chasing.
In fact, 350 would be the right target. We have short of 20 runs. Don't worry, Dhoni is still there.
Well, there's still the helicopter shot that is awaited of Dhoni, and the excitement continues and the cheering continues, and of course the belief that the team India will perform and bring the cup back home is also remaining very, very alive and true.
Manogya, it appears that the fans that are present with you are definitely a lot more ecstatic than the ones that are that we in fact spoke with Pratibha in Bengaluru and the ones in Ranchi. Rohit, what about your fans? I mean, they're trying really hard, more importantly, to justify and tell themselves that it's okay, pacify and console themselves to watch the rest of this match. But I think the fans in Kolkata appear to be a lot more upbeat.
Well, absolutely. Fans at Kolkata are upbeat, but because Ranchi is the town of Rajkumar, as Dhoni is called the Rajkumar of Ranchi, and that is why people here are banking on him. They say that's okay, Dhoni is still there, we can still do it. And let's talk to people itself. Dhoni, do you think that he can make it for India this time?
Yeah, of course. A lot of time we have seen that we have on with the help of Dhoni, and now we are going absolutely we are going to win. Don't worry, धोनी, डोंट वरी।
धोनी ही लगता है आपको कुछ कर पाएंगे?
हाँ, धोनी ही मैच को जिता सकता है और धोनी में वो ताकत है कि जो मैच विनर है ना, धोनी आज बनेगा और इंडिया मैच जीतेगा और वर्ल्ड कप अपने पास नहीं रखेगा।
जब भी इंडिया को जरूरत पड़ी धोनी की, धोनी ने अपना बेस्ट दिया है। एंड वी थिंक जब नीड होता है ना, धोनी अपना लकी चार्म कहां से निकल के लाता है पता नहीं, लेकिन वो इस बार भी अपना लकी चार्म निकल के आएगा और वर्ल्ड कप हम फिर लाएंगे। दिस इज द बैट, वी विल विन द मैच।
That's the reactions from Ranchi. Everyone is banking on Dhoni and say that he performs well when there is tremendous pressure on India. He's the lucky charm of the team. He's been very much consistent also. So that everyone here banking on Dhoni, that till Dhoni is there, okay, there's nothing to worry.